Good afternoon, everybody. This is Frankie with an update on Hurricane Milton that is just about to come ashore around Sarasota, just about to make landfall. The eastern eye wall now over Sarasota. You're probably getting winds. If we go to the velocity here, very, very strong winds being indicated on either end of this hurricane here. Just south of St. Petersburg, you can see these winds are well over 100 miles per hour, up to 113 being reported there just south of St. Petersburg. The Tampa area recently had a wind gust up to 100 miles per hour. So we have very strong winds occurring in this area, and there is an extreme wind warning in effect. There's also a flash flood warning in effect for much of this area, all of Tampa, Riverview, St. Petersburg. Definitely seeing very strong winds right now, and this extreme wind warning, if I could get it to pop up here, the flash flood warning is popping up. There we go. You can see here, associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Milton, moving onshore on a line extending from 6 miles southwest of South Bradenton to 25 miles southwest of Anna Maria to 52 miles southwest of St. Armandus Key, moving to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. These are imminent extreme winds, as if a tornado is approaching. Move immediately to the room of shelter. Take action now to protect your life. So that's an extreme wind warning that remains in effect for all of Clearwater, Tampa, Palm Harbor, all the way south to Longboat Key. Not quite down to Sarasota. As you can see, these stronger winds are occurring right now on the northeast quadrant. This right here is the northeast quadrant of the storm, which is spinning right here and getting ready to come ashore right near Sarasota. Okay, so within the next hour or so, this will be making landfall near Sarasota. We're on the south side of this storm from Sarasota down southward. Let's take that off of there, towards the Cape Coral area and even the Fort Myers area. Expecting to see 5 to 15 feet of storm surge anywhere along that line. So once these winds move on ashore, which they're doing more and more so as the hurricane approaches its eye on Sarasota, we're seeing winds go away from the coast. Here's the center right there, and then you got winds going this way away from the Tampa Bay area, luckily. But it still causes some storm surge in Tampa Bay right there, because we have east winds piling all that water up on the East Bay, on the west side of the East Bay, and that causes storm surge to happen maybe a 6 to 8 feet still in the Tampa Bay area. On the south end of this storm, Northport, we're really going to see destructive storm surge on possibly up to 20 feet, at least up to 12 to 15 feet. And that could extend all the way down towards the Cape Coral area, the Fort Myers area, at least 5 to 10 feet of storm surge. This is a very dangerous hurricane. We'll take these off of here and show you again that it's just about to make landfall right near Sarasota. It could be a mile north, a mile south, hard to tell, but it sure looks like it's going to come ashore right near maybe the Siesta Key area, possibly South Sarasota or Sarasota itself. So we'll see what happens. But either way, there's an extreme wind warning for the Tampa and St. Petersburg area all the way down to Bradenton and Bay Gardens. Sarasota, again, you are not under that extreme wind warning at this time. Most of the severe weather is occurring on the northeast quadrant. Like I said, you can see that circulation. Well, here's the northeast quadrant of the storm. That's where you have that extreme wind warning in effect. Not to mention torrential downpours causing widespread flash flooding. So this is a heck of a storm, guys. Just really devastating right now. and you really want to pray for Florida. Earlier, we had a tornado outbreak with over 120 tornado warnings issued within 6 hours. Very impressive. That's a superstorm. That's not just a hurricane. That is a superstorm. So everybody needs to stay safe, stay where you're at. If you've evacuated, stay put. This storm is now making landfall, and it's causing extreme damage. That's just the nature of the beast, unfortunately, and hopefully everybody that was told to evacuate did so, and we don't have too much loss of life. There's going to be a lot of loss of property, but you can replace property, you can't replace your life. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching, everybody. Everybody stay safe. Make sure if you're told to evacuate, you do so. All right, this has been a multimedia weather briefing, and I will end the video broadcast now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you in the next video.